Have you ever wondered if bundling your insurance is really worth it? We've all seen the endless commercials about bundling and saving. Switch and save, bundle and save. It's become such a common phrase that it's easy to tune it out completely. But behind the marketing, is bundling actually a smart financial move? Or is it just another way for insurance companies to squeeze more money out of you? Today, we're going to take a deep dive into the truth about bundling insurance. We'll talk about why insurance companies push bundling so hard, why it might or might not be a good idea for you, and how to bundle the right way. We'll also look closely at Lemonade Insurance, which has quickly become one of the best and most convenient options for bundling home and auto insurance. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how bundling works, whether it's worth it, and how to make sure you're getting the most value out of it. So let's get started. What is bundling insurance? Bundling insurance is exactly what it sounds like, combining two or more types of insurance with the same company. The most common types of bundling is home and auto insurance, but you can also bundle renter's insurance, life insurance, and even pet insurance with some providers. For example, instead of having separate policies for your car and your house with two different companies, bundling lets you combine them under one company. The benefit? The insurance company gives you a discount for keeping all your business with them. Think of it like a cable and internet package. It's usually cheaper to get both services from the same company rather than paying for the separate internet and cable plans. Insurance companies work the same way. Companies offer you a better rate when you bundle because they know you're more likely to stay with them long term. But bundling isn't just about saving money. It can also simplify your life. Instead of managing multiple accounts, payments, and customer service numbers, you only have to deal with one company. That makes handling claims, billing issues, and policy updates much easier. Why insurance companies want you to bundle? Let's be honest. Insurance companies don't encourage bundling out of the goodness of their hearts. It's a business strategy, and it works. Insurance companies want you to bundle because it increases customer retention, which is just a fancy way of saying that they're more likely to keep you as a customer if you have multiple policies with them. There's actual data to back this up. A study from State Farm showed that customers with two bundled policies had a retention rate of around 87%. That means 87 out of 100 customers with bundled policies would stay with the same company year after year. When a third policy was added, like umbrella or life insurance, the retention rate jumped to over 90%. From a business perspective, that's a gold mine. Long-term customers mean steady revenue, fewer marketing costs, and a more stable business model. That's why insurance companies are so aggressive about bundling. They know that the more policies you have with them, the harder it is for you to leave. But that doesn't mean bundling is a bad deal for you. In fact, if you approach it the right way, it can work in your favor. Why you should bundle your insurance. All right, let's talk about why bundling might actually be a smart move for you. There are a few big benefits that come with bundling, and they go beyond just saving money. Number one, cost savings. So the biggest reason that most people consider bundling is to save money. And the savings can be significant. Lemonade, for example, offers up to 10% off when you bundle your home and auto insurance. That might not sound like much at first, but it can add up quickly. Let's say you're paying $1,200 a year for auto insurance and $1,000 a year for home insurance. 10% discount would save you $220 per year. Over 5 years, that's $1,100 in savings. And it's not just about the discount. Some companies also offer extra perks for bundled customers, like accident forgiveness, lower deductibles, or additional coverage options. 2, convenience and simplicity. Dealing with insurance companies can be a hassle. Keeping track of multiple policies, payment dates, and customer service numbers gets old fast. Bundling solves that problem. When you have all your policies with one company, everything is streamlined. You get one bill, one account, and one customer service team. Lemonade makes this process even easier by handling everything through their app. Need to file a claim? Just open the app and follow the prompts. The system is designed to make claims processing as fast and simple as possible, sometimes even getting you reimbursed in minutes. Having a single point of contact for all your insurance needs makes life easier. If your car gets stolen and your garage gets damaged at the same time, you don't have to wonder which company to call. It's all under one roof. Fewer gaps in coverage. Now, this is a big one. When you have separate policies with different companies, there's a risk that you'll end up with gaps in coverage. For example, let's say you crash your car into your garage. Your car insurance might cover the damage to the car, but not to your garage. Your home insurance might cover the garage, but not the car. Both policies are with the same company. The claims process is usually handled together, so you're less likely to get stuck in the middle. Lemonade handles all this seamlessly. Their app-based system means that home and auto claims are processed together, reducing the chance of gaps or miscommunications. 4, additional perks and rewards. Some companies, including Lemonade, offer extra incentives when you bundle. For instance, Lemonade's Give Back program donates unused premium money to causes that you care about. That means that not only are you saving money through bundling, but you're also supporting a good cause. So it's a win-win. So how do you actually go about bundling your insurance? It's not as simple as just calling up a provider and saying, hey, bundle me. Step 1, start with a good provider. Not all insurance companies are created equal. Some companies outsource certain policies, which can make things complicated when you need to file a claim. Lemonade, on the other hand, handles everything in-house. That means their home, pet, auto, and life insurance are all under one system, which makes bundling super smooth. Step 2, get a quote on multiple policies. Once you've picked a provider, ask for a quote that includes home and auto insurance. Make sure to ask how much you'll save by bundling and whether any other discounts are available. Step 3, compare coverage, not just price. A lower price isn't always a better deal if it comes with less coverage. Make sure that the bundled policies provide the same or better protection than you are getting separately. When bundling might not be a good idea. While bundling usually makes sense, there are a few situations where it might not work out. If you have a bad driving record, you might struggle to get competitive auto rates with certain providers. In that case, you might be better off keeping your home and auto insurance separate. The same goes for homeowners insurance. If you've had multiple claims in the last few years, some providers might deny coverage or charge you higher premiums, which could wipe out any potential bundling discount. Why Lemonade stands out. Lemonade is one of the best options for bundling because of how easy they make it. Their app-based system allows you to file claims and adjust coverage in minutes. Plus, they offer competitive rates and simple, transparent pricing models. The Give Back program and fast claims processing are just icing on the cake. If you're looking for an easy, affordable way to bundle your insurance, then Lemonade is definitely worth considering. So, should you bundle your insurance? In most cases, yes. Bundling can save you money, reduce gaps in coverage, and make your life easier. And with Lemonade's fast claims processing and social impact model, you're not just getting a good deal. You're supporting a company with values that align with yours. So if you're ready to start bundling, check out Lemonade using the link in the description below. And if you want to get started with any insurance options that we recommend, you'll find links down in the description below. These are affiliate links, which means that we earn a small commission when you use them at no extra cost to you. And these commissions really help support the channel and allow us to continue to create free content just like this. So if you end up using them, we thank you so much in advance. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another video. Here on Insurance Wise, we break down everything you need to know about business, home, auto, and specialty insurance, helping you make informed decisions to find the best coverage for your needs. So be sure to subscribe. But other than that, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.